Hey everyone, it is Purple and I am back with another video. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen area. Really small kitchen area. But this video today is going to be me braiding my granddaughter's hair. I had to take her other braids out. There she goes. Had to take her other braids out. So I'm just going to show you guys how I wash her hair and braid it. But let me show you the whole setup. I have my shampoo out, and yeah, so are you ready? She has her headphones on, she can't hear, but by the way, she's 6 years old. She just turned 6 years old. So yeah, so if you have a little girl and you wash her hair, some people do their washing techniques different. I'm just going to mainly show you how I do my washing setup with her. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this is what I do with Brit. Yeah, this is what I do. This is a board that came off a shelf that I don't use. You know, those Walmart shelves or whatever, real cheap shelves. But this is one of them. So this is what I do. I sit it up here on my counter like this, and I get a towel. Put it just like this. Get a towel. I'm gonna slide it up some. You guys can see that. As y'all get closer, so you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of make a bridge over this. This is a thick towel. So this is how I set up for her to get her hair washed, and also I have her towel to dry her hair, and if she wants to cover up her eyes, then I have this right here also. And I have the comb, so I use this comb like when the shampoo's in her hair and it scratches her scalp. Make sure I get her scalp clean. And yeah, so these are the shampoos that I use for her hair. Now I'm going to use this swab to get out the grease. I'm going to use this first, and then I'll go in with the Cream of Nature, and then the Cream of Nature detangler conditioner. So I'm back. I have her hair combed out. Since I ran out of this, I just use Dollar Tree petroleum jelly, and it makes it really soft and keeps her scalp from being dry. So you can see over here, I already have my pieces laid out. What I'm gonna do is give her some big braids. I'm not gonna do them small, I'm just gonna do box braids, and the ends of them will be skinny due to the fact that I'm going to put beads on the end and it's going to be in a ponytail. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you guys. I am back and I have finished her hair. I did, come here, Bree, show them. At the top,
she did.
Yeah, throughout, bring your head down so they can see. I made the parts, the boxes really big for the simple fact is, it may be like all throughout her head because I didn't want her to have a lot of weight on her hair, so it's really, really light. And turn around. We almost ran out of hair, so the key to that is just use very little, and yep. So that is it. I'm going to pull this up in a ponytail. It is not meant to be worn down like this because it's a certain way that I plaited her hair, and yeah, and it's just meant to be up in a ponytail, and we're going to put the beads on it. So yeah, but this is it, you guys. Like I said, I'll be back to show you the finished results.